Alright, I'm going to show you how to take some slop out of your suspension arms once they develop a little bit of play, but otherwise they're still in good condition if you like to keep your stuff nice and tight. So actually first, all you need is I use an X-Acto blade for applying glue, just an old one. Use a little poker paper clip to spread it around a bit. You want one old suspension or a hinge pin that you can get a little bit of glue on. It's a medium CA, and I like using zip kicker to speed it up, but you put such little glue in there, it probably dries instantly. So first thing is take your blade and put just a hair, like just a little bit of glue on there. And I always do it to the same side of the suspension arm. Yeah, I do it on the inside, and that way if you're not going to change your like toe angle or anti-squat angle, even though that's crazy minimal. I always shoot for more consistency. So put the blade in there and then just run it down like about as far as the blade will get, and then use the paper clip to smear it around a little bit. Take your old hinge pin, and I do one side at a time, and then insert it from the opposite end. You just put glue in and just slide it through. And then repeat the process for the other side. Just a little bit of glue. That's too much. You can always add a little bit more. If you put too much in, what I do is just take a drill bit. It doesn't need to be the perfect size for the hinge pin. You just take that bit and kind of run it back and forth and file off the excess glue, and you can free it back up. But if you do just a small amount, you'll take the slop out and won't have to sand anything down. So then I did the other side. So now we've done both ends. Take a little zip kicker. And then now we run the not super glue hinge pin through, and it's nice and free. But I think I could probably add a little bit more glue, but yeah, that's the process. Simple.